Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend it. This will show us our power button right here, so tap on it, choose power off, and when the phone turns off, you want to hold power and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into boot mode, which is, well, what you can see right here. Now using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode, so it's visible right here, and then confirm it with power key. Next thing we will see is Android with no command. So to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and we are now in the recovery mode. So there we go. Now in this mode, just as before, you will need to use the volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Quickly going over the options accessible to us, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the first screen that we've seen after turning off the device. Enter Fast Boot Mode, which technically bootloader and Fast Boot Mode here I believe are the same modes, but this one actually will look a little bit different, as you can see. Now, moving further down, we have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and simply power off the device. So there we go, those are all the options. Now I'm going to select the first one, confirm it, just so I can get back to Android. And there we are. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.